Alright, today lapping the valves. Let me show you how it looks like. This being lapped. This nut. And this is how it looks like the seat. And this is looks like how it's not being touched. Alright, continue lapping the valves. After that, I'm not gonna wash it for final because I don't have, like I said, the valve seals. So I'm gonna keep it there until I arrive the valve seals. And then I'm gonna continue with this is the bank one, right? Yes, this is the bank one. I'm gonna continue with the bank one. Fresh petrol, lapping compound, and because I have only 12 valves per bank, I'm using this one. Continue. Finish with this head. Alright. Let's repeat that again. Oh boy. Okay. Cylinder head bank one. I missed that spot here. With the second wash, it's gonna go away. Only this one. And has a little bit there. A little bit here. Okay. Nice. My hands are dry. Okay. Why it's making this? Because of the reflection? Yeah, because of the reflection. Oh boy. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. 1 second. Yes. Good, good, good. Alright, 1 second to see the intake and the upper piece, the upper side. Alright, what do we have here? Okay. Alright. Stop it casting. Alright. Looking good, looking good. Now, inside, no, it's fine. This one, there is a little bit there inside. Okay. All right. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Yep. Looking good, looking good. Here inside, there is one spot there. Alright, here are the bolts, a little bit there, there. This is one small dot over there, I'm gonna take it away, same thing there, same thing there. Looking good, looking beautiful. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's see the surface, let's see the guides, let's see the valve seats, and moving on. Take a look what I forget to do. God damn it, I clean here the casting and this shit what has here, so don't touch it and start falling inside. I break the corners so don't be sharp here. Don't cut your fingers. And I didn't do that one. Dang it. Okay. At least it's not the final wash. I have to wash again so I can do it later, right? Okay, that's it. Let's continue now. Before I see the valve guides, valve seats, and the surface, I have to continue with the valves, valve springs to prepare it. I want to put again inside of the box with the other bank springs. Clean the valves and then check up. When are we gonna clean everything first? And this stupid thing, why I missed that one? Yeah, dang it. Yeah. Okay, alright, moving on. The other one, by the way, the other cylinder head's here, obviously, alright. The other one's there. Continue. That's it for today. Valves been lapped, cylinder heads been prepared. I wish to have also the valve seals, so to finalize them, unfortunately I don't have them. Need only the final wash. When I'm gonna get the valve seals, final wash for both of them, and then start assembling the valves. So tomorrow, starting with the supercharger. Supercharger over there. Hi there. That's it for now. Thank you very much. Have a good night.